Hello everyone, welcome to Veymax channel. You may have seen the title. Today we are unboxing Veymax's Merlin, a belt motor electric skateboard. Voila! I'm so excited. Lift the black cloth. This is Veymax's first belt motor electric skateboard, Merlin. First, let's put the skateboard aside. Let's see what else is in the inner box. The first one is some stickers. There are various logos and slangs on it. I like this never say never. Next is a T-type tool, and a hex driver is added. A Type-C charging cable. It's used to charge the remote control. Speaking of the remote control, let's take a look at it. It looks very neat, and it has the Veymax logo on it. It feels very comfortable. Let's try to turn it on. Then there is also a pair of replacement belts here. Because Merlin is a belt motor, the belt is a consumable item. Here is also a bag of screws and nuts for replacement. You will use it often if you are good at hands-on work. This is a hand strap. It is used to replace the hand strap of the remote control. I like it very much. It can be tightened. Finally, this is the charger of Merlin. Its output power is 50.4 volts. And it is a fast charge of 3.08. Fast charging is really necessary for electric skateboards. Next, let's take a look at Merlin. This is Merlin. It looks great at first glance. Simple and technological. Let's explain its parameters one by one. First, its deck. It is made of 2 layers of Canadian maple, 2 layers of fiberglass, and 2 layers of bamboo. The deck is 37.8 in long and 9.8 in wide. It provides a very comfortable foot feel. Its maximum load capacity is 330 pounds. The whole body weighs 18.9 pounds. It is in an excellent range. Veymax also added anti-collision pads on both sides of Merlin. Next, let's take a look at its wheels. Merlin uses 90/60mm PU wheels, compatible with 90mm to 120mm diameter wheels. The hardness of 788 provides a certain stability and shock absorption effect. We can turn it over. Look at the more important parts. First, focus on the front truck part of Merlin. Its truck belongs to the casting process, provides a certain firmness. All bushing hardness is 9.5A. Provides good stability and a certain degree of flexibility. Rear truck part. Merlin uses 2x1 for OW dual belt motors. Provides strong power, with a maximum speed of 30 mph. Climbing easily overcomes a 35% slope. Now let's show you the speed of Merlin. First gear, low. The average speed is 16 km/h. Second gear, medium. The average speed is 28 to 29 km/h. Third gear, high. The average speed is for 9 km/h. Fourth gear, pro. The average speed is also for 9 km/h, but it has more torque, and the uphill power will be stronger. Pulley is 360 ADCs. The belt uses the HTD to 555M15 specification. Next is the battery. Merlin's battery is Samsung's 50S12S2P. It is one of the best batteries on the market now. The battery capacity is up to 432 watt-hours. It can provide a range of 29 miles on a full charge. The battery and ESC are waterproof. Waterproof level is IP55. Next, let's take a look at Merlin's ESC. Merlin uses Veymax 8.0 ESC. Merlin's ESC has many advantages. For example, push to start, adjust the power of acceleration and braking at any time. Demonstrate the push to start function. When the electric skateboard is turned off, push it forward quickly to turn it on. After you hear the beeping sound, it is enabled. Merlin also has a cruise control function, which is very convenient for long-distance riding. I like the smooth control of LY personally. Just mention that charger is fast charging. You can complete the charging in just 4 hours. Let your happiness never run out of power. I hope you like our Merlin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.